Rahim. Do you know what is confidence and how can you boost your confidence? Confidence is the belief in your abilities, qualities, and decisions. It means trusting yourself to handle challenges, take action, and achieve goals without being controlled by fear or doubts. How can you boost your confidence? So there are three key steps. When you follow these steps one by one, so these steps will boost your confidence. So what are these three steps? The first one is practice positive self-talk. The way you speak to yourself shape your confidence. Replace negative thoughts with encouraging one. For example, instead of saying, I cannot do this presentation, I will mess up, say, I have prepared well, I will do my best, and it will go fine. This shift in mindset will reduce fear and will boost your self belief, and this is how it will also boost your confidence. The second tip is set small achievable goals. Confidence grows when you accomplish tasks step by step. Start small and then move to bigger challenges. So when you start small and you achieve small goals, you overcome small challenges in the beginning, and then you move to bigger challenges and you start handling those challenges. So this is how it will boost your confidence. For example, if you want to become confident in public speaking, then begin by talking in front of a mirror, then by talking to a small group of friends, and finally in front of a class or audience. So each small win boosts your confidence. When you start talking in front of mirror, so it will boost your confidence. After that, when you start talking in front of a small group of friends, so it will further boost your confidence. And when you get enough confidence and then you come in front of a class and you deliver a presentation, you do public speaking or in front of some audience, so this is how it will further boost your confidence. Then we have improve your skills and knowledge. Confidence grows with the passage of time, and preparation makes you feel secure. When you prepare yourself for something, so you start feeling secure. The more skilled and informed you are, the more confident you will become. So those people who have more skills, those people who have more knowledge, and they are more informed, so they are more confident in their life, and therefore they show great results and they achieve great things in their life. For example, if a student study regularly and he practices solving math problem, will feel much more confident during an exam as compared to someone who didn't prepare. So therefore, when you improve yourself on daily basis, when you polish your skills on daily basis, when you read books on daily basis, when you get new knowledge on daily basis, so it will give you more confidence and it will boost your confidence. So therefore, improving skills, improving your knowledge on daily basis, it also boosts your confidence. So when you start practicing these three tips, the first one is practice positive self-talk. The second one, set small achievable goals. And the third one is improve skills and knowledge. So this is how it will boost your confidence. So in short, talk positively to yourself, celebrate small wins, and prepare well. These three steps gradually build unshakable confidence.